Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to refund in Shopee. So if you looked right here to refund Shopee, right? What you're gonna see, right here the help center, right? And basically, if you want to refund an item on Shopee, you go to the official website, of course. You'll learn how to refund some of the items. But if you want to know how it's done, go to the Shopee app, launch the Shopee app on your mobile device, go to Me tab on the Me icon located at the bottom right corner of the app. If you're using the app in English, of course, select or to receive or complete it depending on the status of your order in the order history. Then select the order, find and tab the order that you want to refund, and then request for return and refund. If the item is still within the return period, you will see an option for request for return refund on the order details page. Tap on it and select the items that you want to return or refund. So you need to fill in the details, choose the reason why that you want to refund or return that item, and provide any necessary details or upload supporting photos if required. Then submit the request and then wait for Shopee to approve your request. Shopee or the seller will review your request. You may need to wait for the seller to accept the return or refund request, and then return the item if applicable. After the approval, follow the provided instructions to ship item back to the seller, and then you can track the refund, and then you're gonna receive the refund money that you paid for that order, depending on the payment method used. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.